Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course, my name is Josh Brand FX, or you can call me Josh FX. Okay, as simple as that. Right now, I told you guys that I'm going to be showing you guys my trade, because I'm trading a profit account of about 50,000, and I'm on drawdown. So I'm using this particular strategy to try to grow my account and probably pass my profit account and make my withdrawal. So I want to be showing you guys the journey along the way, how everything is going. Okay, as for those of you who are here and you are newbie, or you are an intermediate trader, or you're struggling, or you need you need that strategy that will help you to that will help you to become a profitable trader. You can follow me, you can subscribe to my channel if you have not, because subscribing to my channel is the only way that you can see my videos whenever I post them. Okay, 'cause this particular video I want to show you guys some trades that I took this week. Okay, and some of them closed yesterday, and how they went is what I want to show you, and what I'm also looking out for. Okay, from next week, because I'm not expecting what I'm looking out to play out this week, because today is already Friday. So probably from Monday. Okay, so right now, this is it. This is GBP. This is GBP JPY. Okay, this is GBP JPY, and this is a trade that I took. I think I took this trade. I took this trade. Let me try to say on 25th of March. Okay, was when I took this trade, and this trade ran from 25th of March to about 27th of March, from 25th to 27th of March. And of course, if you look at this trade, I was cruising in profit, came up here, and tap into my zone, and started, coming down and going up, and then push down, push back down, and then kind of like consolidation, and then all of a sudden this trade went back into my entry and took me out. Okay, so I closed this trade I closed the trade in profit, but a little profit, or probably break even. Okay, I don't even know that I moved my stop loss into take profit. Okay, but we are going to see all that. I'm going to open my history, and we're going to see what the outcomes of this trade. Okay, so this trade closed on the 27th. So now that is it for GBP JPY. So what I'm actually looking out for right now, so I want to show you guys what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY. Okay, so of course this trade has already played out, and okay, the outcomes is break even or loss. I don't know. I will go to show you guys, or rather, let me go to the history. I will go to the history of this trade and show what happened. So right now I'm in my MC5. So I'll just go to history. So I'll just go to history here, and yeah, I'll look for this trade. This trade closed on the 27 GBP JPY. Here's the trade here. This is it. This is the trade here. I took this trade on the 27th, on the 25th, and it closed on the 27th. So I closed this trade in a little profit of $5.57. Okay, I've also lost some trades, and I've also won some trade. Okay, since this week you can see winning, and these are losing trades. Okay, I lost $50, $50, and I won $139, $202. I also have some other trades that I won here, and losing. So let's go back to my charts so that I will show you guys more. So what am I looking out for right now on GBP JPY? I will come back to that. I want to go to GBP USD. Okay, so this is another trade I took on GBP USD. Okay, and of course, the trade. I mapped at my that I took this trade from this zone. Okay, I usually set pending order. So as soon as the price, did everything that the price wanted to do, it came and tapped into my zone. Okay, and then started moving in my favor. You can see it here. It came, tap into my zone, and of course moved to take profit. Okay, so you can see the trade there. I won this trade. Okay, I won this trade. You can see it very clearly. This is 1:4. That is 1:4. Okay, that is what I made on this trade. 200. This is GBP USD, and this trade closed on, let me see, this trade closed on the 27 as well, 27 of March. So here's the trade here, GBP USD. Here's the trade here. So it closed on 27th of March, and I made 203.2725 on this trade. Okay, so that is that. Then I'm going to GBP 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 AUD, GBP AUD. Okay, so this is GBP AUD. I also won the trade here. Okay, this GBP AUD trade, I got this trade from here. Okay, from this zone. Sorry, I got this trade from this zone. Okay, so as soon as I got this trade from that zone, this is the line. This is the line here up to this place. Okay, so as soon as the trade, did everything, it came back into my zone and tapped my entry, and then move to take profits. You can see it here. Okay, take profits. So now another thing happened after I won this trade. After I won this trade came. I have another entry here, which I took from this zone. Okay, and this trade, uh after I've hit profit on this trade, it came straight up to this place and tapped this entry, and of course is cruising in profit, and I'm having a little bit consolidation here. Okay, so I don't know what this trade is going to do at the end of the day. Probably on Monday, I'm hoping to see what this trade is going to do. Maybe it's going to go to my take profit, or maybe it's going to and maybe it's going to go back to my entry, okay, like always, and or maybe it's going to take me out. I don't know, but I've not break even. I've not moved my stop loss an inch on this trade. And if I go to my MT5, you will see the trade right here. This trade is currently running GBP AUD. See it here, currently running sell. And the trade I won on GBP USD, here is the trade. Here's the trade on 27. This trade closed, and I made $206.81 on this trade. Okay, so there are also other trades that I lost, like GBP USD, GBP AUD. I lost this GBP USD on 27. I lost this GBP AUD on 26th of March, and I also lost this USD card on 26. So if you check out my report here, I'm in profit of about $642.54 right here. Okay, so my account is coming up a bit because I'm in drawdown, or I'm on drawdown. Okay, so gradually I'm growing this account back to $50, and then hoping to pass this account. I might decide, I might increase my how will I put it, my risk to reward later. Probably what I'm risking Okay, for now I'm risking $50 to go for $200. But when I grow this account to $50, I'm going to increase my risks, okay, which I might be risking $500, or I might even be risking $750 per trade, to go for times four. 1:4. Okay, so now I'm going to take you guys back to the chart, and let's see what we have. I know USD card. Did I really have any entry on USD card? No, not yet. I have this entry that I'm expecting on USD card. Okay, this entry I'm expecting it on USD card. Okay, so I got this from this zone. You can see the zone here, the black line. So I'm expecting this trade to, come and tap here. You can see what the trade is doing, tap here and probably move to my take profit. Or probably the trade could do this, have another entry which I took from here. Okay, so the trade could probably do this, maybe, do everything it wants to do from here, and maybe just come and tap here and then, move straight up to my take profit. Okay, so I'm hoping to see what the trade will do. I'm waiting for this on Monday from next week, not this week, because today have already, the market is going to close any moment from now. So going to GBP USD. On GBP USD, of course I've won this trade, so I'm going to take this out. Okay, I usually screenshot before I do this. I usually screenshot before doing things like this. So I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I just, okay, currently I'm recording, so I can't screenshot. So I'll just take this out. Okay, and then I will just create a new entry point, which is from here. Okay, so what happens now? I wait for the market to come to this zone. Okay, tap into this zone. Of course, yeah, tap into this zone. I'm risking 20 pips and going for 80. Okay, 80, 81 pip, which is 1:4. So this trade might come this way. Okay, do everything it wants to do and tap into this zone, and then, how it is, move to my take profit or take me out. Okay, if it does take me out, yeah, just accept my fate. So that is what I'm looking out on GBP USD. So let me go to GBP JPY. So on GBP JPY, I have an entry. I'll just take this out. I have an entry position. I have an entry position right here. Okay, so I'll wait for this trade to just come here, probably tap into the zone and boom to my take profit, or do otherwise. So another place I'm looking out for is here, is this place here, probably. Yeah, I'm looking at there. Yeah, because of course I have a little break of structure right here. Okay, to the outside. So, and of course I have this change of character here. Okay, so I'll just wait. If the market comes back to this zone, you know I'll let me set an entry here. coming, sir. Sorry, please. So I risk. I'm gonna risk 50 pips. To go for 200 pips. Yeah, that's it. So probably this trade might do this. This trade might try to do this too. Then either it comes down to this level and move to take profit, or it come back up here, tap this level, and so that is what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY. Okay, so these pairs I'm currently looking out for these things, and of course you guys should please subscribe to my video, because subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in my next for my next video I'll I might share my strategy. If you want me to share my trading strategy, you can drop in the comment section, share. If I get enough comment, if I get enough requests, I'm going to share my strategy. Okay, and also I forgot to add my Telegram group in my previous video, where I promised that I'm going to put my telegram link, so that those who wants to get free signal from me, those who want to learn, can join for free. So but I'm going to try and put it in this video, so that those that want to join my Telegram, those that really want to follow me, can join my Telegram as well. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, I've made, okay, this is GBP USD. I've said it before, just waiting for it to tap here and move to my entry. Then on GBP AUD, let me see what I'm looking for. So on GBP AUD, I already have this entry that I've already played out. So I have another entry point here. Sorry, let me just take this out. So I have another entry here. If the market comes, I have another entry there. I also have another entry here. So this is under zone here, but I'm going to use here as a zone. Okay, so what am I looking out for? This market might come down to this place and tap this zone and move, or it takes this out and come into this zone, tap and move to my take profit. But don't forget that I'm on a trade that is currently running. I'm waiting to see what this trade is going to do. So guys, that is it for now. Okay, you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, if you want to move along with me all the way till I pass this firm and withdraw everything, I'll be showing you guys. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.